Hello students, today we shall start a new chapter, square and square root. You know that the area of a square is equal to side into side, where side means the length of the side. Study the following table. Here is a table in which you can see that the side of the square, if side of the square is 1 centimeter, then the area will be 1 into 1, or you can say side into side, or you can say L into B, length into breadth, but length and breadth is always equal in the case of a square, so we can say that side into side, that is 1 square. If the side of the square is 2 centimeter, then the area will be 2 into 2, that is 2 square. If the side of the square is 3 centimeter, then the area will be 3 into 3, 9. And in general, if we consider about the general form, if we take the side of the square is a unit or a centimeter, then the area will be a into a, that is a square. From this table we can understand that what is the special about the 4, 9, 25, 64 and other such numbers. Since 4 can be expressed as 2 into 2, 9 can be expressed as 3 into 3. All such numbers can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. Such numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are known as the square numbers. So that the definition of the square number is that the numbers which can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. What are the square numbers? The numbers which can be expressed in the form or which can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. In general form, if number m can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, then m is a square number, and so on. Now, the number 1, 4, 9, 16 are square number. The numbers are also called perfect square. These numbers are also called perfect square. So, perfect square number also can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. Now, next table. Here is a table. Following table shows the number of numbers from 1 to 20. Here numbers are written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 20. And their square. Square of 1 is 1 into 1, 1 square. Square of 2 is 2 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 3 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 4 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 5 5 is 25. Square of 6 is equal to 6 into 6, 36. Square of 10 is 10 into 10, 100. And square of 20 is 400. Square of 20 is 400. Here the number from 1 to 20 and their squares are given in the table. Now, study the square number in the above table. What are the ending digits? That is, digits at one place of the square number. That is, digits at the one place of the square number. You can see that 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 at the unit place. In all the square number, you can see 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. These numbers are coming repeatedly 0, 1, 6, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. And none of these ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 at unit place. So, if we are squaring any number, then in square number, the unit place always will be 0, 1, 5, 4, 6, 9. All these numbers you can see easily. In all these number, unit place is 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. That is repeatedly numbers 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 are coming. Now, next table consider and I am taking next table. Here only I am taking 5 numbers 1 9 1 9 sorry 1 9 11 19 and 21. At unit place here you can see 1 and 9. At unit place in all these numbers, unit place is always 1 and 9. 1 9 1 9 1 9. And the square of such numbers is always ends with 1. The squares of such numbers is always ends with 1. Square of 1 1. Square of 9 81. So that unit place is 1. Square of 11 121. Unit place is 1. Square of 19 361. Unit place is 1 always. So if you can see that a number has 1 or 9 its unit place, then the square is ends with 1. Now there is another table. Let us consider square number ending in 6. Now I am taking such numbers whose squares ends with 6. 4, 6, 14, 16. The square of all these numbers is always ends with 6. You can see all numbers having at its unit place 6. We can see that when a square number ends with 6, the number whose square it is will have either 4 or 6 in its unit place. Consider the following numbers and their squares. Here some numbers are given with 0 at its unit place: 10, 20, 80. 10 in digit 10 there is only 1 0, and the square of 10, that is 100, is always 2 0. 20, next number is 20. In 20 there is only 1 0 at the unit place, and its square of 20, that is 400. There are 2 zeros. 80 square of 80 is 6400. So we have 1 0, but we have 2 0 in square form. If we have 1 0 in number form, and the square of that particular number is always have 2 0. If we have 2 0 in number form, then the square is always become double. That is, if we are taking 2 0 at the 2 0 number, then we have 4 0. If we are taking 100, then 4 0. Now I am doing it 10 square. In 10 there is 1 0, and square of 10, that is 10 into 10, that is 100. 100 is equal to 2 0. There is only 1 0. There are 2 0. Now I am taking 1000. Now I am taking 1000 square. That is 1000 into 1000. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Here you can see there is only 3 0, and the square form just double. 3 and 3, 6 0. So in the case of 10, 100, 1000, the zeros become double. Now I am taking one another example. Suppose 400. So that the square of 400 is equal to 400 into 400. So that 4 into 4. First you have to multiply 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16. And multiply zeros. 0 0 0 0. 4 into 400 into 400, that is first multiply 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, and apply 40, 1 2 3 4 40 in front of 16. So this is the square of 400. This is all about this video. Now next point of this chapter I will cover in my next video. Thank you.